Hi, so I'm Alan Jen, and I'll be demoing my Open Chess Analysis Tool project for 15.1.12. So instead of basically walking through all the features of my program, I'll just do a little tutorial, and hopefully that'll highlight some of the capabilities of the software application that I built. So to start off, the application opens a tutorial mode, which we're going to skip. And the next window that pops up is a setting for the game information. So the chess analysis tool allows you to store both players' names, the date, the time control for the game being played, as well as tournament information. And we're just going to close out of that. One feature of this analysis tool is that we're able to easily set up any position to start from. And so what I'm going to do is clear the board and set up a fun little puzzle. Basically all I'm doing here is clicking the pieces and then placing them on the board. And you can actually remove the pieces if it's misplaced with this red X. And so we're going to say it's white's move, and depending on the position we can actually specify the ability for both of the players to castle, but in the position that I'm setting up, that's not necessary. So we're going to go ahead and press OK and set up the board like this. Okay, so on this board, black is headed in this direction over here, and so he's actually just one move away from queening this pawn, and so white has to stop that. And his pawns have much farther away to travel, and so this little puzzle is actually white to mate in 12. So given that it's white's move, he wants to stop this pawn from queening. We're going to throw in a check here. And here what I'm going to do is toggle the tutorial mode. And what this does is it provides highlighting for the previous move made. If the king is in check, it'll highlight the king's square in red. And lastly, it's going to give an attack counter and a defender counter. And what that means is if a piece is being attacked by the opposite player, the counter is going to display how many times that the piece is being attacked and how many times it's being defended. And so the king's only move is to go to this square, and now he's threatening to queen this pawn, moving it over here. And so what we're going to do, I actually accidentally just deleted the last move that's being recorded over in the move display, but the king goes to A1, and you can see it's highlighted in algebraic notation in here. And we're actually going to say, make a note here and say that white to move and mate in 10 moves. And so this note is actually recorded as the game is being played. So then the white queen goes here, which actually prevents this pawn from moving because now it's pinned. So we can say here, pawn on b2 can't move due to queen pin on king. And so again, these notes are preserved, so when I make this black move, its only legal move to king b1, we can go back and see the note here is preserved. Anyways, moving on, so sort of to show you the solution to this puzzle, the white queen uses a stepladder motion until, oh, made a slight misclick. So the queen makes the step ladder until we get the black king in this position where now the white queen is clear of the pawns while moving along these diagonals to reach this position, and actually move the queen down and checkmate. And so those are just a few of the features presented in this application. There's a number of other settings and features such as flipping the board that weren't displayed, but hopefully this is a fun little capability that we can display with this demo. Thank you.